Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. In this video, we're going to be covering how to add templates to your ServiceNow forms. Okay, so I am on the incident form, just an example incident on my PDI, my personal developer instance. And you can see I don't have the template bar appearing at the bottom. So first thing we need to do, we have to go ahead and select this ellipsis, this more options, and then we need to go ahead and select toggle template bar. After we do that, you're going to see our template bar appear here at the bottom, and there's already some out-of-the-box templates like incident, call type, major incident, but let's go ahead and create a new one. There is also this option here for all templates where you could search all the different templates, because assuming your instance is probably going to have quite a few templates on it. So this is pretty helpful to just find what you're looking for. Then you also have this option to disable the template bar. So to create a new one, to select the new create new template. And we're going to get this pop-up window up here. Okay, and we are selecting who we want to have access to this. So we can just make it a global template, and then we can just put in some basic details. So like a security incident. Okay, we'll leave a lot of these the same. Actually, let's do software incident. I don't think there's a security option on here at the moment. We'll do software. Leave it as medium. Knowledge, false, short description. We'll put security incident. State, leave it a new. Urgency, we'll put that as medium as well. And then from here, you could also add in additional fields. So in case there's something else on here you want to add, you could even add in like a work notes. So you could add in some work notes. So you could put like created by the software incident template. And yep, you can just kind of scroll through your different fields on your form. Obviously, this is going to vary depending on what type of form that you're on when you're creating the template. So these are just the options for the incident form. But I think we pretty much got everything that we would need. So actually, why did I put that there? Let's put software incident. Okay, looks good. And this is global, so everybody will have access to this. So what we'll do is we'll impersonate a user, and we'll create a new incident, and we'll see if we have this option available to us. And templates are very useful for use cases where you're creating the same thing over and over and over and over and over, and you don't want to have to go through and reselect all these fields again. So it's pretty helpful that you can go ahead and do this. You could also set up different types of dependent variables, dependencies, or on-change client scripts, all sorts of things. So like maybe if they were to select category as software, then you would already know who to select as the, let's actually select the assignment group too, because we don't think we have an assignment group on here. Let's do software. So yeah, there's a bunch of different ways to do it. Templates are just one way. So go ahead and select the name here as software incident template. Oh, probably don't need to put template there because it's clear it's a template. Software incident. Okay, and let's hit submit. All right, and we have our software incident option right here, but let's test it out to make sure it's global. So let's impersonate a different user. Let's actually impersonate Able Tutter, because the ticket's going to be assigned to them. Let's do someone else besides Able Tutter. Let's do, we'll do ITIL user. Okay, cool. So now, let's head over to the incident form, and let's create a new incident. And we need to toggle on our template bar. And there it is. So let's see if it works. Yep, and you can see it already added in the work note as well. So assuming everything is good to go, you can see right here too, you also get another annotation that details what just happened. Let's save it. And our work note got created. Everything else stayed. So all the different fields that were pre-populated are still there. So looks good. However, our assign to did not work. And the reason for that is we selected the software group. So I would need to go ahead and change the template to select someone who's in the software group. So you can see, oh, Able Toucher's in there. I wonder why it didn't work. Huh. That's strange, but yep, that is pretty much showing you guys the concepts here. So I'm sure you could probably find quite a few use cases to create different templates to help make life easier for your users. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. Please also consider subscribing to the channel. Catch you all in the next one very soon.